Hello, I'm Mako Enoda. Today's Mako channel is about do-it-yourself. This time I tried arranging a Daiso pen with 100 yen goods to make it a cute moving pen. Since I got a request to arrange stationery items, I made this pen sparkly and cute. The sparkles move just as you'd expect, yes. This time it's also very simple and easy, so I hope everyone will try it. Here's what I used this time. Now let's see how to make it. Mako channel, begin! So this time, I'll be arranging a daikon radish ball pen. First, I'll take out the inside of this. Then, with the top part of the inside, attach glue to the top part of this case, and since there's a hole here, I'll plug it up. And then, I want to stick this kind of seal on the top part of this case. I stuck it on the top part like this. Please make sure the size of this seal is just big enough to cover the hole. Now, let's arrange the inside. First, let's lay out the tool. You can put anything you like between the clear file and the other file, but I'm going to use 2 pieces of tulle. Then, I'll cut a slightly wider piece of cellophane tape than the transparent part of this case. Then, stick the cellophane tape onto the smooth tool, lining it up carefully. I think it's better to do it as simply as possible here. Then, do the same thing on the opposite side. I stuck it on just like this. Now, with the sticky side facing up, place it down and from above, sprinkle some glittery powder to give it a sparkly look. This is various kinds of... I've tried using large pieces of glitter, but personally, I think this fine powdery type of glitter looks the prettiest. If you have small spoons or something similar, you can use those to sprinkle it on as well. Today, I think I'll use a Q-tip to apply it. If you don't mind, you can just use your hands to gently brush off any excess and fill in the gaps as you go. I think that's an easier way to do it. The glitter is now attached just like this. Now, let's peel off the mold. Then, align it with the top of the pen you just made and stick it on. It's attached like this. I'll slowly peel it off. Now, I'll peel off this file as well. And just like that, I'll carefully roll it all the way to the end and stick it on. Okay, now the inside part has become a little wrinkly. This time, I'll use a slightly larger glitter. This time, I'll use stars. I'll put these inside the case. Just like this. Gently shake it and check the amount before adding it. Now, I'll put the centerpiece that I made earlier in here. When you add it, it tends to sink to the back. So gently shake it so it doesn't go all the way to the back and keep it in the middle. Now I'll add the silver parts. Close the cap and it's done. I think that's alright. This time I made a moving sparkling pen. I don't think you can really see it, but it's super cute. I got really into making it myself. The decorations have pearls and stars and hearts and all sorts of things. Even just using cute things is fun. And if this sparkling pen comes out of your pencil case, I think it would be really nice. It's super easy to make, so I hope everyone will give it a try. If you use this video as a reference, please post your creations on Twitter or Instagram with the hashtag MakoChannel or Makotan and show me what you made. I also post do-it-yourself and makeup ideas on Makotan's channel. If something is bothering you, if you have any feedback or comments, please leave them on the channel. That's all for Makotan's 100 yen do-it-yourself a sparkling pen that moves. Bye bye.